What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have some news and I don't know whether to tell you if it's good news or bad news. It's just depending on how you look at it. We're gonna get more into the details of what happened and the opportunity that came up to us, or that was kind of forced upon us. But we want to get your guys' feedback, your guys' input on everything. We used to fill up our tanks with like 30 bucks and now it's literally going up to like $40, $45. It's getting expensive. Missing someone, missing someone, is as normal, missing someone. So Nestor went to take care of some things real quick. While we wait for him, I need your guys' help. So for those of you who are new to the channel, really quick. So for those of you who are new to the channel, I did the 5x114 bolt pattern swap on my car. This is the 04, so it came with the 5x100. We swapped that out and the swap went pretty well for the most part. I'm still running into one big issue, and that's what I want to bring up to you guys because I've read forums, I've talked to different people, and no one seems to know what the issue is or why it happened. It does have to do something with my center diff, but the problem is that it never did this before the swap. So I'm wondering if maybe possibly it's just a coincidence or not. But let me show you guys. There he is. So at the moment, I have to drive my car with the DCCD to the most bottom setting, so like that. Let me show you what happens when I run it in auto. You guys can hear that? It's like a metal hitting metal sound, and it's making the center diff skip. That's why the tires are kind of just skipping forward when I go full lock on the left. It doesn't do it much when I do on the right? It wasn't doing it that much. It's just on the left side. So I am running 21mm sway bars up front that were put in by the previous owner, and then I'm also running Swift springs, and I'm running 10K in the front, 9Ks in the back. If not, it's vice versa. But we're thinking maybe possibly it's a little too stiff, and that's why it's causing that. But if you guys have any idea of what it could be, please leave a comment down below. I'm getting kind of desperate. I've looked at so many forums, different people, and no one seems to know where the issue is coming from. Also, my power steering rack is leaking pretty bad, so I got to get that replaced. Probably get some white line bushings in there. And then once we get everything dialed in with the suspension, then we can do some pretty cool POV canyon runs. So I know that's exciting. Speaking of suspension,
next on the list for mine probably is repairing the boots, axle boots, because ever since I lowered it, it's just been flinging grease everywhere. So I mean, that's probably what's gonna come up next.
Actually was right after he lowered his car that his boots completely tore on his axles. He probably will need to replace those pretty soon. Let's see if the hype is real. The Chick-fil-A hype was definitely real, guys. If you have not tried Chick-fil-A, I don't know what you're doing with your life.
the way over there. Look at the white peaks.
That's the road right down there. Brings you all the way up here.
And it starts over there.
Down there. So we definitely got to come out here with all the boys and do a fat canyon run. This would be a lot of fun. Which one this reminds me of? The one we went on in LA.
Ortega Pass?
Ortega Pass, and I think it was going towards Menifee. If any of you guys are down there, that canyon run is really good. So we're gonna head out of here and we're gonna talk about what we mentioned earlier in the video about the good news slash bad news. We just wanted to come check this place out. I think we're gonna do a canyon run here and do like a POV, get some good audio in there as well. How do I start this?
Just tell them how it is.
Alright. Right. Ongo wants me to tell you guys how it is. This is how it is. We got fired.
We got laid off.
Peace out, guys.
Go.
Okay, on a serious note, guys, this is something that we haven't told you guys, but 2 weeks ago we found out that the contract where we work is no longer going to be signed, which means that a new valet company is going to take our spot, which means we are fired. We're laid off. So this obviously raised concern with us because that job is how we get income for stuff like this, to make videos, installs, and just to keep growing in general. But it was really unexpected. We came into work one day and they pretty much told us, hey, June 26th is your last day, find a new job. Obviously when something like this happens, it can hit you pretty hard. The first thing I thought about was this, our channel, the cars, the other guys. For me in general, is it not just me actually, but like these guys, it delays everyone's builds from what they want their car to look like, be like. Literally everyone that you see on this channel works for valet. Me, Ongo, Diego, Marco, Luis, Sergio,
Jesus.
I think you've seen Jesus in a couple of videos. But we literally all work valet and we're all jobless at this point. So kind of talked this over and it honestly is a big decision, but I think in the end it's going to be worth it. So we decided that
opened like a door for us. If you think about it in a good way, it gave us a different path to choose. And
so those two paths, so there's one path where you can just go find a new job, and then there's the path that I talked with Ongo for a while about, and that is
full-time.
We're going YouTube full-time, baby. Yeah. Oh my god. Yes, guys, we decided that starting July 1st, we are going full-time on YouTube. We are going to risk it all and just full send it into our YouTube channel. Hopefully we, no, you know what? I'm not gonna say hopefully. We are gonna make it doing this, because for real, guys, for someone for the rest of your life, you gotta go out there and just do something for yourself. So we're gonna go out, we're gonna do YouTube full time starting July 1st.
30 days.
So
30 days.
We're gonna, starting July 1st, we're gonna daily vlog for 30 days, see where that takes us. Like I said, this is, when we first heard about this, it was definitely a hard hit for us, but you gotta make something positive out of the whole situation. So the way I saw it was, I don't think any of us were willing to ever just quit our jobs and start YouTube full time. So I think something bigger out there told us, or made this happen so that we can go pursue this full time. And honestly, I'm grateful for it. I think this is honestly gonna be something really great. We have all 13,000 of you guys supporting us, and I know there's gonna be more out there coming soon. So speaking on that, we are in the works right now with a pretty big company on getting out shirts, sweaters, banners. We got new, oh, so speaking of banners, we actually are getting this redesigned, and we are also getting our official logo redesigned. So we're in the works with that right now. As soon as we figure out what's going on with that, we will definitely inform you guys on that for sure.
Give us ideas, like more ideas.
Yeah.
What would you like us to have available for you guys?
A couple of things before we end the video today. Diego's wheels are almost done. He got custom 3-piece wheels that I think are just getting powder coated now, and then are gonna get sent to him later this month or early next month. So stay tuned for that. We will let you guys know when we are able to go to Oregon to get this all done.
Josh ordered something to change his car again.
Change up his look.
Change it up a bit. Unfortunately, the website he ordered it from, what did they say? They canceled it?
Yeah,
They didn't have any in stock?
Yeah, every time he keeps trying to order this specific part, they don't have it in stock, so they just refund his money back. So I'm not sure what he's gonna do quite yet. He's actually in Vegas right now, so try and figure everything out once he gets back from Vegas. Just hype, man. I'm excited, guys. This is honestly such a cool way to lose your job. To know you have something like this. The best part about this is I know we're gonna have all of your guys' support, which we really appreciate, guys. To be honest, we wouldn't be where we are without you guys. So thank you so much. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video,